Hi, I'm Lionel, this is Tech Loto, and let's talk about the Edifier Neobuds S. These are beautifully designed wireless earphones that do a great job of rivaling its JBL equivalent. So let's get into it. Something that we've come to expect as an industry standard is noise cancelling, but not all noise cancelling is created equal. With the Edifier Neobuds S, the noise cancelling doesn't disappoint. I've been able to use these in 3 distinct scenarios. Number 1, traveling on a busy London train, and we know how crazy that can get, so being able to sync everything out really helps. Number 2 is while at work. As a video editor, when I'm in the office, I need to sync everybody out. So having these noise cancelling headphones that gives me a true reflection of what I'm editing while being able to sync out everybody around me really helps. The third setting is of course while traveling on the plane. Using this to clear out everyone on the plane is really helpful. Another feature that I love is that it allows you to listen to your surroundings. This thought through technology is really helpful if you're trying to have a conversation. It's also particularly helpful when you're trying to make sure you're aware of your surroundings without taking out your earphones. And it's proved to be versatile. So from gaming with my friends and having this as the headphones for the chat, to working in the office and using this for mixing, it's done the job. And I'm absolutely in love with the design of the spaceship case. The case lasts for hours on end, and one full charge will get you through a couple of days depending on how you use the headphones. Now this is where it genuinely stands out from its competitor. A problem that I tend to have with in-ear earbuds is the fit. Most earphones come with 3 options when you're looking at the gel cover for the earbuds. Now these are different sizes, but even with the size you start to realize quickly that it's more about the design of the earbuds themselves. And when it comes to the Edifier earbuds, they just fit well. I wish I could elaborate more and tell you why that is the case compared to other earphones, but it just fits very well. A lot of earphones that are even designed as sports earphones tend to fall out while you're just moving about your day. All I can say is that these earphones fit well and they don't fall out. And if you've seen any reviews on this channel when it comes to earphones, you know what I always talk about is the microphone. The downgrade that we've got from having wireless earphones is having terrible microphones. But I can say this microphone is good. Where I've really pushed it is when I've been on a train and I've noticed that I do need to speak with a bit of a louder, clearer voice for people to hear me and not just everybody else around me. Overall, these are a great pair of earphones, and it's definitely something that I use regularly as one of my go-to earphones. Thank you very much for watching. This is my 3rd review for Edifier products. If you'd like to see more reviews from the Edifier product suite, let me know what you want me to review in the comments and I'll post a review.